In the pursuit of holistic well-being, many are turning to natural alternatives, steering clear of conventional medications. An intriguing discovery on this journey is the remarkable synergy between lemon juice and olive oil. In this video, we delve into the health benefits of combining these two potent ingredients. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, activate the notification bell, and share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. Detoxifying elixir. Lemon juice and olive oil stand as formidable detoxifiers for your body. They eliminate harmful toxins, cleanse the gallbladder and liver, shielding them from potential damage. Alleviating constipation woes. Olive oil, a natural laxative, promotes smooth bowel movements, while lemon juice, with its anti-inflammatory properties, eases intestinal and abdominal swelling. Together, this dynamic duo relieves gas, reduces abdominal stress, and ensures digestive comfort. Nourishing hair, skin, and nails. The blend of olive oil and lemon juice proves beneficial for maintaining strong and moisturized nails. Application on cuticles enhances health and reduces the risk of hangnails. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of lemon juice combat skin issues, fostering a dandruff-free scalp. Cholesterol harmony. This mixture effectively lowers bad cholesterol levels and boosts the good, contributing to joint flexibility and reduced stress on bones. Circulatory support. Olive oil enhances blood flow and prevents clot formation. Applied topically or consumed, it aids in preventing and minimizing varicose veins. Tackling abdominal fat. While not a magical fat-burning solution, the mixture aids in weight management by improving fat digestion and boosting metabolism, crucial for shedding excess water weight and abdominal fat. Blood pressure management. Regular consumption of olive oil and lemon juice stabilizes blood pressure and promotes a steady heart rate, thanks to their toxin-fighting and mineral-rich composition. Defying aging. A daily spoonful of this blend unveils a potent anti-aging elixir. Packed with vitamin E, monosaturated fats, and essential minerals, it combats wrinkles, arthritis, and heart disease, promoting overall organ and digestive health. Now armed with the knowledge of these health benefits, the natural question arises: how is this miracle mixture made? Recipe. Ingredients. 1/2 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Instructions. Mix the two ingredients thoroughly and consume half an hour before breakfast. While this blend can be a daily ritual, exercising caution is essential. Limit intake to 1 spoonful per day to avoid potential side effects. For optimal results, aim for at least 3 times a week. Embrace the transformative power of olive oil and lemon juice, a harmonious blend for your well-being journey. If the content resonates with you, express your approval with a thumbs up and share it among your acquaintances. For an abundance of additional recipes and tips, consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.